Hey guys, I'm Marie-Christine Picard. So today I wanted to introduce you to a really nice program that I've been following for the last couple of days and even weeks. Actually, it's called 30 Days to Sales, and it's going to show you exactly which steps you should follow if you want to make money online with YouTube. And it's really simple. It's not going through videos that are like for hours and hours of videos. Most of the times it's really quick videos with some homeworks, and you just learn and apply. You learn, you apply, you learn, you apply. So you get the thing. So you just have to go through the program. It's a 30-day program, and every day you're going to have different steps, but you don't need to wait until the end of the program to get into action. You just go into action right at day one, and you're going to build your online business on YouTube with that. So no matter what subject you want to talk about out there, it's really super easy to just implement those things that you're going to hear in the training. So if you're interested into that, I really suggest you to just click on the link below. You're going to have a link to click and get to the training, and you're going to see it's awesome. It's my mentor who's teaching. He's really helpful, and he really verbalized like everything in super simple words. You cannot like be all messed up with that. You're going to be able to join a community on Facebook of people that are doing exactly the same thing as you. And I feel that a community is so important when you're going through steps like that. And maybe it's a huge step for you to go online. It was a huge step for me to go online. It still is. And it's yeah, you're gonna be part of a community that will be able to help you, and you're gonna have trainings as well, and you have like all the time you can ask your questions to the group, and you can ask questions to the mentors. So if you're interested in building a successful online business and do to the right steps and do that for cheap, I really suggest you to click on the link below and go through your training right away. Don't wait anymore. I know you've been thinking about that for a long time. So, don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you could click on that little red button and click on the bell as well, so you get to know when I post different videos. And it's really going to be a pleasure for me to give you a lot of value into building your online business. But my YouTube channel is also about mindset. So keeping a positive mindset all the time and knowing your why, it's so important to reach out for your goals. And I'm also a mom of three, so it's really hard not to make videos about family stuff, but it's not going to be boring family stuff. I hope it's going to be like helpful family stuff as well. So take care, guys. Don't forget, subscribe to the training if you want to kickstart your online business. And I'll see you another time. Cheers.